Hello everyone, welcome to Abhipedia. My name is Abhishek Sharma and today we'll be talking about transfer payments versus subsidies in our basic concept series. So essentially transfer payments are those which are given by the state or the government in no return for any kind of goods or services. So it is just that the money is given to you and you can use it whatever you are liking it for, and nothing is expected in return for that payment. So examples of this transfer payment is essentially pensions, any kind of scholarships given to the student. So in return, nothing is expected back from those people. One important part that we have to understand in transfer payments is that they become a part of your personal incomes. Okay. Now, we have to differentiate transfer payments from subsidies because they are different in nature as it is. Transfer payments are essentially an income supplementation, while subsidies come into impact or effect only when there is some transaction of goods and services actually involved. So subsidies, you have to think of them like a negative tax. It's a part of the payment that government's making on behalf of the consumer of those goods or services. So for example, you go on to buy an LPG gas cylinder. So the government is providing you a product subsidy on that LPG gas cylinder. So some part of that price of that LPG gas or the cylinder is being paid by the government only when you buy that LPG gas cylinder. So at the time of transaction only this comes into picture, right? While on the other hand, transfer payments, they were working as a personal income increasing point, and you may or may not carry out any transaction with that personal income. That is not a consideration done in case of transfer payments. While in case of subsidies, they will come into picture only when there is some transaction, right? Now, these subsidies as it is, they whenever you calculate national income, etc., the treatment of both of them will become therefore different. Okay. So this is the major difference between them. One is happening at the level of your incomes and one is happening at the level of your transactions. Fine. So ensure that you know both of these because anytime this can be asked in your prelims, because this is not a concept yet touched upon by UPSC in collateral sense. All right. Thank you so much. This is me, Abhishek Sharma, signing off. All the best to you for your examination. Thank you.